Welcome to our lesson on artificial intelligence and data science. In this session, we will explore how these fields intertwine and their significance in today's data-driven world. Artificial intelligence, or AI, refers to systems designed to perform tasks that usually require human intelligence. We categorize AI into narrow AI, which focuses on specific tasks, and general AI, which has broader cognitive capabilities. Data science plays a crucial role in extracting insights from vast amounts of data. By combining statistics and machine learning, it helps us make informed decisions based on data-driven insights. AI and data science are complementary fields. Data science provides the necessary data for AI algorithms, enhancing predictive analytics and leading to improved decision-making across industries. This quote highlights the immense value of data in today's world. Just like oil, data needs to be refined and analyzed to unlock its full potential. AI has numerous applications across various sectors. In healthcare, it aids in diagnosis, while in finance, it enhances fraud detection. Transportation also benefits from AI with the development of autonomous vehicles. Looking ahead, AI will increasingly automate tasks, reshaping job markets. Additionally, the focus on ethical AI practices will ensure fairness and accountability in its applications. Preparing data for AI involves essential steps like data collection and cleaning. Quality data is crucial for building effective AI models, ensuring accurate results. Machine learning is a core component of AI, enabling systems to learn from data. It includes supervised and unsupervised learning, each serving distinct purposes in data analysis. As we explore AI and data science, we must acknowledge challenges like data privacy and bias in algorithms. Protecting user data and ensuring fairness are crucial for ethical applications. Let's take a moment to look at real-world examples of AI in action. From healthcare diagnostics to financial forecasting, AI is transforming industries. For those interested in diving deeper, online courses and books are excellent resources. Platforms like Coursera offer specialized courses, while books can provide in-depth knowledge. This quote by John McCarthy encapsulates the essence of AI. It emphasizes the ultimate goal of creating intelligent systems that can mimic human capabilities. In conclusion, AI and data science are interconnected fields that drive innovation. Continuous learning is crucial to keep pace with the evolving landscape of technology. As you move forward, consider applying your knowledge practically. Engaging with online communities can also enhance your learning journey. Thank you for joining this lesson on artificial intelligence and data science. Keep exploring and stay curious as you continue your learning journey.